doing the cutting that thing, and I wish I'd thought about it a little bit more when I was making it, and I would have cut it accordingly so it would have been easier to begin with. But it's okay. I mean, the cut came out fine, so I'm just gonna put it up on the wall, and well, before I put it on the wall, I'll end up stitching it back up with the welder. So as I said, I had to cut the thing in half, so I'm putting in the large half in the corner here first. Basically what I'm doing is putting a screw or two in the back on each side, so yeah, it doesn't move one way or the other, doesn't shift up or down. And this is a temporary leg, because the leg is actually going to be kind of like this, coming up from the bottom. So yeah, I got to put in the other section right here, and then I'm just going to put a tack weld on that back one, and a tack weld on the front one, pull it back off, and then weld it clean up, seal the tube and everything, and then basically, but in this position, I'm going to go ahead and finish the two legs that I'm going to put on here. Wanted to show you guys something. One of the details of this bench is I put that brace kind of in the middle right there, because this section of the bench is where I typically sit, and with the chair, up there, my knees or my feet, nothing's going to hit it. Same thing on this. This is not quite so far back because I wanted it a little out further for the bracing, but it's far enough in that my knees and feet won't hit it. Well, I've got my bench done for the most part. Just trying to figure out where everything goes, and I would since I took things off the wall there, because I plan on making a kind of a special storage rack there. One of the things I've been trying to do is figure out how to utilize the space underneath, and as you can see right there, I've got a little moving dolly right there. Harbor Freight, Northern Tool Special, whatever, something like that. Makes it easier to get things in and out from underneath. And I've also made a couple, little smaller one right there. I'm actually going to make a couple more and basically fill in this area right under here. Well, I'm pretty much done with the bench. I put a little like a little backstop right there all the way across the back. Try to keep everything or anything from rolling back behind the thing. And I also, I don't know if you can see that. Well, I guess you can. Put a little light under here so I can see all my stuff when I have to get up under here. So yeah, I think that worked out pretty good.